Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a metaverse project that I think you guys are really going to love. Quick disclaimer here guys, this is not financial advice, you're responsible for your own funds, but this project has really caught my eye recently, so let's just jump into the video. So if you want to get involved with this project guys, it's very easy to do so. All you got to do is join the waitlist and you will be notified when the project goes live. As you can see here with the background guys, it's actually something that's based on the side of gaming. So you will be able to play games in this little metaverse, but there's many other things you can do as well, including hanging out with friends, player versus player games, and many more things to say the least. So these guys are definitely aiming for the top of the pack here when it comes to actually getting a metaverse that kind of caters to gaming, right? So how will NFTs work in this project? Well, NFTs will essentially be in the form of skins, and if you've ever played Fortnite or any kind of major game out there, skins are essentially the backbone for most of these games. So having that NFT infrastructure where you could have a skin that is maybe one of a kind or maybe 1 in 500 ever made, then that skin is going to have its own value in which it becomes its own investment, right? So if you have a skin for a significant amount of time, then that skin, the value of that skin will essentially go up in value and allow you to trade that with other people on the marketplace for real money for just using that skin in the game. And if we look here, we can actually see a few different styles of skins coming through, including a beautiful Bored Ape style Tycoon Ape. This is something that's really cool, and yeah, I'm happy to see projects actually go in and make stuff that people actually want to use rather than just having a coin, right? So you can wager against other players. You've got this nice little dashboard here as well that they're making with a nice leaderboard as well, and you're just going to be leveling up and going through this progression system while having fun and playing with your friends. They're also offering some voice and text chat features, so if you think like Discord or TeamSpeak, but we can actually see here that they're using this in their own platform. So this is something, again, in terms of technology and infrastructure, these guys are absolutely ahead of the pack. They are dominating in that space, and they have all of the tech already built. So when this thing does actually go live, guys, I imagine the investment in these coins and stuff like this and the NFTs will absolutely skyrocket in value. If we can look at their roadmap here, guys, we can actually see that they are launching a DEX and a SEC, so a centralized exchange and a decentralized exchange, as well as doing in-game audits and regulations, which is important, right? Alpha game testing, so if you want to get involved with that alpha game testing, guys, then definitely join that waitlist, and a pre-sale investment round. An alpha game testing in which they will actually allow you, if you've joined the waitlist, to test the game, right? They're also doing an alpha game testing this quarter, which will allow you to actually test the game if you are on the waitlist, okay? And they're also doing a pre-sale investment round very soon, which will allow you to invest in this project and help it with its success, but also profit massively from that investment, okay? And they do have a lot of other things planned here. Also in Q1 of 2025, they do have a lot more plans. Again, original games integration, so they're going to be launching their own little mini games in 3D that you guys can actually interact with in that game, okay? They're doing a competitive universe environment, all right? So I imagine there'll be lots of rewards there. Sachi is an MVP-ready 3D virtual gaming platform built on the Unreal Engine 5. This features AAA graphics and a gamified system that is accessible from any device through pixel streaming. Their mission is to offer a unique blend of social entertainment elements where players can meet and engage in games, together in a 3D environment, leveraging the advantages of a blockchain-based token, regulatory flexibility in advertising, and innovative gaming experiences. Sachi social platform aims to capture pretty much the vast majority of the Web3 audience. In terms of progress for this project, Sachi has already created a working demo of their product, and they're starting the marketing from scratch. A Telegram app is bound to launch also very soon, with daily quests, giveaways, a game that will let you level up your coins you make with your daily spins and completing various quests. Built on the Unreal Engine 5, it features stunning AAA graphics and is the first ever Unreal Engine 5 project to use pixel streaming, making it accessible on any device. The key features for this app are a leveling up system with 12 distinct levels, spin to win to try your luck spinning the wheel and earning valuable shards and gems, which then you can use in the game and potentially get NFTs, stuff like this, asset upgrades to upgrade in-game assets and unlock new features and therefore increase your rewards in the game, card collection systems where you can collect and trade cards to enhance your progress and game strategy. They also have energy boosts where you can boost your energy to maximize your spins and increase your chances for rewards. And as we said with NFTs, there's going to be 11 unique NFT skins, with the rarest 2 being only available through gems. So really, in summary here, guys, for this project, it is a metaverse, something like VR chat, but they've incorporated that esque aspect to it, okay, which allows people to actually go head to head for real money, but also invest in NFTs and have your own cosmetic style, which you can also then use on a marketplace to trade over time. This is something that is basically groundbreaking in my opinion. Okay, this is something that I've not seen before, and it could be something that absolutely dominates the space. So definitely check these guys out in the description. That is going to be it for this video. I will see you in the next one, and have a fantastic day out there. Cheers.